Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Etsy. We click on settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Etsy and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.